Imagine finding properties where you can take over the existing mortgage, leaving you with incredible cash flow opportunities. That's the power of subject to investing, and Batchleads is your roadmap. First, log into your Batchleads account and head straight to the property search. This is where the magic happens. Batchleads offers powerful filters that let us hone in on properties ripe for subject to deals. We're looking for motivated sellers. And these filters are our clues. Start by targeting absentee owners, a circumflex euros. These are owners who don't live in the property, often making them more open to creative solutions. Then, add a delinquency filter. Usually a short time frame like 1 to 30 days past due. This signals potential motivation. Next, let's refine our search. We'll apply an equity filter, aiming for high equity, a circumflex euros. Think 50% or more. This indicates the seller has built significant value in the property. It's also a good idea to narrow down your prop type to focus on single-family homes, which are often ideal for subject to. Reviewing your results, look for properties that tick all these boxes. Batchleads provides crucial data points like estimated equity and owner information, helping you identify who to reach out to. By creatively using Batchleads filters, you're not just searching for properties. You're uncovering motivated sellers and setting yourself up for lucrative subject to deals. It's all about leveraging data to get creative with your investments. Happy investing!